Just bought an M.2 pull-out SSD enclosure. Not sure how to install it? Here's a simple and easy to follow tutorial. This time, we'll use the HD1300 for demonstration. Open the package and take out the enclosure and accessories. Open the side cover. Both the left and right sides can be opened. Pull the circuit board out. You can see markings for different SSD sizes on the board. They include 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280. Today, we'll use a 2280 SSD as an example. When installing, align the gold connector. Insert the SSD at about a 45-degree angle. Press it down so it stays parallel to the board. Then secure the end with a screw. If your SSD is shorter than the 2280 size, you'll need this small brass standoff. After inserting the SSD, use the groove on the standoff to hold the SSD in place. Then secure the standoff from the bottom with a screw. Slide the circuit board back into the enclosure. Close the cover and tighten the screws. And that's the installation complete. Connect the enclosure to your computer with a data cable. When the blue light turns on, it's ready to use.